guys, welcome to my first vlog of 2024. Y'all, I cannot believe it's been a year and a half since the last time I picked up a camera. That is crazy, but it explains why I'm definitely struggling. This is probably like the 6th time I've tried to film this intro. I had to step away and go make me some tea to calm my nerves. But yeah, welcome to my first vlog of 2024. And if you're new here, I'm Kaya. Welcome. I film lifestyle, home decor, home organization, health and wellness vlogs, and then also some work-life balance vlogs because I do still work a 9-to-5 Monday through Friday. So yeah, thank you so much for supporting my channel. But before we even get into today's vlog or catch up, because I know we have some catching up to do, I just want to say thank you all so much for all of the support. Thank you for the messages, the comments on my old videos, and that you miss me, because I definitely missed you all too. It definitely pushed me and motivated me to do the hard thing today and pick the camera back up. So yeah, I appreciate it so much, especially for those of you who have been here from the very beginning. Thank you so much for sticking beside me after so long, after being gone for almost 2 years. Y'all, life just took an unexpected turn for me. Like, I had many unexpected life changes on top of just everyday life stuff that just required me to take some time away from all social media, which included my YouTube channel. I just needed time to focus on myself, so that's what I did. But I'm feeling motivated, but also really nervous. Y'all, I was like, I done forgot how to film an intro vlog. Hopefully today's vlog is somewhat decent, I hope. But I am super excited to film today because, as you guys can tell from the white walls, if you've been here from the beginning, I'm in a new space, which I'm so excited about, because you guys know how much I struggled with the gray walls. It was always just so dark and making it hard to film. So yeah, in today's vlog we'll actually be setting up my new office space, which is where I'm filming from now. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the vlog. So this is what it currently looks like. So you guys just saw I slid the desk over to where I wanted it and slid in the storage cabinet. I got both of the, no, I think I got this from Amazon and this from where did I get this from? I think it came from All Modern, but it was through Wayfair. And then I still have my old office desk chair and the plant. So I think, as you guys can see, I'm gonna have to get a larger pot because now that just looks weird to me. So I'm gonna get a larger pot, but I'm not really focused on that right now. I'm just trying to focus on like the main stuff. Yeah, because I want that to be taller. I don't think I need to get like a completely different plant. I think I just need to like do a larger pot, and then it'll look good. And we have the 2 closets, and then over here 2 windows and that empty space. So I do want to get a big area rug, and then in this little corner right here, I think I'm gonna put like my like a walking pad. This is gonna be like my little workout area. And then I did also just get a mirror that we're gonna set up today, and then I'm also gonna set up in here. So it's just 2 shelves. So this is where I'm gonna put all the stuff that was in my drawers. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do today. I love this mirror so much better, but it has this little stand thing in the back. But I think I want to like lean it against the wall somewhere. Like that. All right, y'all, so I had to get me some water. But now I'm just about to go ahead and organize this. So this is where I'm gonna put all the stuff that used to be in my drawers. So I have it in this bag. Ooh, heavy. And then this little tub. It's not sealed. So here we go.
밤이 오면 항상 turn the lights out. Tell me where you want it. Baby, you're the one I wanna know about. We can fall in slowly, yeah. We don't need to do the talking. Get into it, baby, softly, yeah. 매일 너네 넌 계속 보는 널. Baby, come and show me. Take my heart. I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me singing like I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there, want you to. You make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like just thinking how you make me go on and on and on and on, yeah, yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐 come on outside. Tell me where you want it.
Alright guys, so I'm finally done organizing the storage cabinet, and as you all can see, I got rid of a lot of stuff that was in my old desk. I wanted to declutter as much as possible. So just to give you guys a quick little overview, on the top shelf I mainly have like my filming stuff. So in this corner right here, I have my big camera, the microphone. These are actually headphones for when I go to the gym. And this right here is more of my filming stuff, like my memory cards and like my hard drives. And then this miscellaneous, I have like my mouse, my Apple Watch, and then my lock for when I go to the gym. And then this corner is actually stuff that I'm getting rid of. I just didn't do it right now because I want to go through it and write down the shades. So this is just some extra makeup that was in the makeup drawer that I had. But as you guys can see, I have like several foundations back there, and I want to, oops, okay. And I want to write down the shades before I throw them out, just so that I can have something to go off of. And then the bottom shelf is mainly like my writing stuff and like books that I use on a daily basis. So I have like my Bible, my Bible study stuff, and then my glasses right there. Here are all of like my markers, pens, and stuff that I use for when I'm doing my Bible study, and also some sticky notes. And then these are just the storage boxes that I had in my desk. I didn't really do much with those. I just transferred them right over because as you guys can see, everything is hidden, which is great because I actually need to clean those out. But this one, I'm pretty sure this had like miscellaneous film and stuff as well, or like I think I have like my old iPad in there. And then this bottom one is the one that I really like. It was like an Instagram type of storage box. I think I got these from Home Goods, but that's just like other I have like the remotes that's for like when I'm taking pictures and stuff. That type of stuff is in that box. But yeah, this is how it looks so far, and I have a lot more books that I need to actually put up. Right now they're like in a storage bin because I didn't want to put those in there because I have a lot, but I want to put those on an actual bookshelf. This is actually for stuff that I know that I use on a daily, and I didn't want it to get like super cluttered. so this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna have to get like some decorative stuff. I just want to get a feel for it. I don't even know if I'm gonna leave the laptop on the acrylic stand or not. And I actually need to get rid of this. It keeps blacking out, so I have to get a new one, but just so that I can get a feel for the desk layout. Right now it's just looking real low. The next thing will be the rug, and then probably getting some artwork. Right now it's very, very bare, but I at least wanted to get like the big things out of the way. All right guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.